Okay, in this video we're going to see how we can take a printout. So taking the printout is really easy. You just go to the window that we want to have a printout of. Let's say if we want to have the printout of elevation, we go to the elevation window, and then from there we go to file. From there we go to print, and here you'll go to print. And if you have Adobe or any kind of other PDF reader, you can select that PDF reader. If you're not, or if you want to directly print from a printer, and then that printer is connected to your device, your computer or your laptop, then you can select that printer from here as well. So I'm keeping it as Adobe PDF because I already have access to Adobe PDF there. Okay, and then you can see that the print range is set as current window. If you just click on OK, it is going to print up that this particular page as a PDF file, and then you can print that PDF file later on when you have access to a printer. Okay, so I'm not printing it right now. I'm just clicking on cancel. So this is how you can print it as well. Alright, so that is it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got to learn something.